Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome to OSP program class 9 senior section girls wing. I am Ms. Rabia Khalid and I am going to teach you English subject in this session. Before wasting our time, let's move to our main topic. Again, we are going to complete unit number 3 which name is media and its impact in this week. Inshallah, we are going to complete it. In the last lecture we have done with the topic that was use of phrases into sentences. So let's move to our main content again. Here are the course contents. We have done with the comprehension, reading of pages 22 to 24, mind maps, use of phrases into sentences. Our last lecture was on use of phrases into sentences. You people know very well that phrases are a short part of a sentence which can't give you any meaning when you don't use it in a complete sentence. So I have told you how to use phrases into sentences and I have given you the task as well. I hope you people have done this task. Now we are going to study about another topic, that is the change of voice. Change the voice means active and passive voice. Before going to the main exercises, we have to understand the concept. So let's move to our main concept, active and passive voice. Before going to attempt the exercise, you need to go through with the active and passive voice concept again, because you people know very well that it will you will read and you will go through with these topics until the grade second year. So you have to understand active and passive voice in every grade in order to attempt it very well. As you people know that it's not a very easy concept, but again let's move and let's understand it again. Active and passive voice. Here I have given you a pictorial example. It will help you a lot to understand the concept. You can see the voice, active and passive. Active shows what subject does, passive shows the focus is on the action. So active actually depends upon what subject does and passive depends upon the focus is on the action. So you can see the example, Ram killed Ravan. Like Ram is the subject, Ravan is the object and killed is the verb. So Ram is doing action on the Ravan, which is the object. In passive, Ravan is made, object is made subject and subject is made object. By is used as a helping verb and was is added as a helping verb also, and killed is remains the same. You use the third form of verb in passive voice. Ravan was killed by Ram means Ravan was acting as a subject, Ram is acting as an object. So you can see the difference between active and passive voice through the pictorial, or you can say pictorial, or you can say the graphical representation, and I have given you a little example as well. But it's not easy to understand active as passive voice so easily and so early, so I have designed another slide for you. Active and passive voice. Active voice means that a sentence has a subject that acts upon its verb, as I have explained you in the last slide. Passive voice means that a subject is a recipient of a verb's action. Again, I have explained it with a good example in the last slide, but I know that it's not easy to understand active and passive voice. Before understanding it, you need to go through with the tenses. If you have a good grip on the tenses, then you can easily do active and passive voice. So here I have chosen this picture. Here you can see the all tenses which from whom you can easily make the active and passive voices. Active and passive sentences are given over here with red and green highlightation. You can see the highlighted words which are going to be changed in the passive, which is highlighted in green. So this picture will help you a lot to understand how active and passive voice are working with respect to tenses. I hope that you have understood it. So here is the assignment. What you have to do it, you have to change the voice which is given page number 28, and you have to punctuate the given paragraph which is given on page number 28. I hope that you have understood the topic. I know it's not easy to understand active and passive voice so early. So if you feel any difficulty, please let me know and please contact me for the further details. So this is the task for the day, and I hope that you are doing your tasks in time. So please take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.